during the shoot of A Flyaway, it was really a very calm, peaceful, sweet set. Now, the work that the actors were doing was extremely emotionally demanding, and it was very intense, and they were living out a lot of hard emotion, but we were really chill.
All the fits and the fights and the screaming and the night. You want to be here?
Well, you know, this isn't really about
Yes,
your daughter.
No, it really is.
This level of problem.
My daughter is not a problem. My daughter is a person.
Hey, let go! Let go!
You know what she did to me? Freak show's over. You satisfied?
You know, my whole feeling is when you've raised a child with special needs and they're raging and tantruming in the middle of the night, you know, for months on end, and every day you're getting calls from school and it's all falling apart, that's a problem.
Right.
Figuring out how to light a shot, that's just a circumstance.
Yeah, yeah.
So I feel like the best preparation that I had for being a filmmaker was being a mother, particularly a mother of a child with special needs. Because
Yeah.
you just rise to that occasion, and the rest is, you know, believe me, this is nothing.